everybody, and welcome back to Akshata's Recipes. Well, today's recipe is a lovely lemon rice recipe. It's very refreshing and very light and really very delicious. Now, sometimes we have some leftover rice and we really don't feel like throwing it away. So this is the best way to use some leftover rice. You can also make this lemon rice from freshly cooked rice. The only thing is that the rice has to be a little bit undercooked. It shouldn't be extremely soft and mushy. Now the trick to this is, what I always do is I first boil the water. So if I'm taking about 1 cup of rice to be cooked, I take about 2 cups of water. Let the water boil. In the meantime, you just wash your rice three times, and then you just have to soak the rice for about 2-3 minutes. And once your water starts boiling, all you do is just add this rice into the boiling water, let it cook, keep on checking on it. It shouldn't be very soft, and then just strain off all the rice onto a colander. I have a recipe of how I cook my rice. I will leave a link below in the description box as well as in the comments box. You can check it out there. In this way, what happens is that the rice doesn't become very sticky, but it is all separated, and it's very easy to make lemon rice or fordni bhat, or if you want to make some pulao or fried rice. This is the best way to make this rice. So today's recipe is really delicious. You can take it to office, you can give it to your kids in their tiffin box, you can have it at any time when you're hungry. It's really very quick and very easy to make. So I hope you like today's recipe. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button guys, and subscribe to my channel. And once you have subscribed, click the bell so you won't miss out any of my recipes or vlogs coming up. So let's start with the recipe. So friends, let's start with today's ingredients. Now for this lemon rice, I'm taking about 1 cup of leftover cooked rice, or you can make fresh rice. I'm going to be using 1/4 cup of raw peanuts, 1 lime, some coriander, some dried red chillies, some green chillies, and a few curry leaves. Now here I'm using a cast iron pan. In that I'm going to be heating about 1 tablespoon of oil on a low to medium flame. Now once the oil is hot enough, we are going to first fry the peanuts till they're nice and golden brown. This adds a very nice flavor as well as texture to the lemon rice, a nice crunchy effect. If you don't like the peanuts, then you can leave them out. But trust me friends, they really add a lovely delicious factor to the lemon rice. So just fry them on a low to medium heat till they turn golden brown. And once they're done, you can just take them out in a separate cup or a plate and just keep them aside. Now in the same oil, we're going to heat up about 1/4 teaspoon or 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds, which we call mori or rye. Once that begins to splutter, we're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds or sheera, followed by the green chillies. We're going to fry the green chillies well, and the curry leaves till they start to splutter. Now once that is done, we are going to add the dried red chillies. The dried red chillies do not add to the spiciness, but they give a lovely flavor, a kind of a smoky roasted flavor to the recipe. Now I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of hing or asafoetida, as well as 1/4 teaspoon of haldi powder or turmeric powder. This turmeric powder also adds a lovely natural yellow color to this lemon rice. Now once everything is nice and cooked, we're going to add our fried peanuts, as well as we're going to add our cooked rice. Now once the rice has been added, mix everything well. And then we're just going to cover and cook this for about a minute or two till everything nicely gets well incorporated together. And now all we have to do is just add some seasoning. So all I'm going to do is add some salt to taste, about 3/4 of a teaspoon or 1 teaspoon, as much as you like. And then, like I said, we're just going to cover and cook it just for a minute. This just brings everything together well. And now you just have to turn off the flame or the heat, and we're going to add the juice of 1 lemon or lime. You can add as much or as little as you like. But since this is lemon rice, so we have to have some lovely lemon flavor to this lemon rice. And now all we are left to do is just garnish it with some freshly chopped coriander. And your lemon rice is all ready to eat. This is such a good way of using up some leftover rice, or it's a very quick recipe if you just want to get something together, if you have unexpected guests, or you're just packing up your tiffin, or for your kids' tiffin box in school. So I hope you like today's recipe, and I hope you will give it a try. Do let me know what else you like to add to your lemon rice. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to Akshita's recipes. And once you have subscribed, click the bell so you won't miss out any of the recipes coming up on my channel. So I'll catch you in my next video. Bye and take care. This is Akshita signing off.